see that? Good morning! Say hi!
Hi!
Say hi, guys! Say hi, guys! Oh, sleeping pa si Emil. Sleeping pa si Emil. Good morning! Hi, Emil! Morning, guys! Morning, good morning. Naiwan ko yung camera ko sa bahay nila tatay. You see my shirt? Stay hungry, baby! Do you guys see that? Ganda, di ba? Meron akong merch. This is my merch. Stay hungry. White and black. Ang dami nagtatanong sa inyo kung paano umorder. Just DM me or put in the comment kung gusto nyo kumuha nito. Hindi pa ako nakakapag-create ng website for this one, pero if you guys are interested, like I said, just DM me. But yeah, starting the vlog today. Today is the day. It's Sunday. Today's vlog is mga quick vlog lang kasi I'm gonna go see a lead today, and then after that baka pumunta kami ng Crazy Beans. Pero the main purpose of this vlog is start taking care of your health, guys. It only takes 5, 10, 15 minutes to break a sweat. That's all you need para mag-pump yung blood natin sa heart natin. Kasi pag nagkasakit na tayo, it's too late na. Start doing it now before meron kang sakit, so you could prevent it. Kasi ang body natin is meant to do movements. Para tayong engine Pagka hindi natin ginamit yung engine or yung car, it gets rotten. So same thing with the body. If you don't move, you get fat, you get sick. So start moving, start taking care of your health. Stop eating junk food, stop drinking alcohol para, see that? Yeah, boy. You know, you live longer. So, yeah. Yung dalawa nasa bahay nila tatay, kaya we only have Emil. Mamaya uwi na yun. Right, Emil? Abo. Are you mad? Happy! Alright, guys. Punta na tayo sa lead natin this Sunday morning. Malamig today. It's actually -22. It says on my car. So, stay warm, Winnipeg, people. I'll see you guys at the lead natin. Hello, Tito! Malapit na po ako dyan.
Sige.
Sige po, see you soon. Alright.
Bawal ka lang pagka nasa pinto ka na.
Okay po, salamat.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Booyah! We got the deal, guys. Got it under contract for a good price. Thank God. And madami tayong option. Either assign it, flip it, or keep it as a rental. So, yeah, I'm happy na nakuha natin yung deal. We'll see kung anong option na pwede nating gawin for this one. Happy Sunday, baby! Let's go! Yung bahay, ang dami din gagawin. Nag-video ako with my meta glasses, so papalagay natin dito. Structure wise, maganda pa yung property, straight pa din siya. Maliit nga lang ng konti, pero goods pa din siya. Kaya madami ding magiging interested dito kung gusto kong i-assign tong deal na to So let's see. Ngayon, tinext ako ni April kung mag-ano daw kami, Crazy Beans. I think we should. I think we're gonna go. But yeah, guys, very happy with this one. Yeah, see you guys later. Bilis mo Oh wow, Crazy Beans. Daming tao pala. Ito may power bank ko. Para saan kaya to?
Parang ka sa'yo.
Ano?
Testing mo.
Pwede, boy.
Kasi kailangan mo
Guys, nag-go-work siya for $10. Let's go. Ikaw, anong bibili mo, Titak? Ano yan? Pensa?
sa
iPad? Oh yeah So guys, dito sa Crazy Bean, madami kayong mahanap na mura. Madami kang pwedeng makuha dito na cheap Ito lang bibiling ko today, guys. We're good. Guys, tatlo na ang bibiling ko. Ito, sa phone din, para sa car. Tapos para sa Nico pag nagba-basketball. Kala ko $10 na magagastos ko. All good. Minsan lang naman Back in the car, guys. Nandun pa sila. Hindi pa sila tapos mag-shopping I hit my limit. Wala talaga akong patient para mag-shopping. So, antayin na lang natin sila dito. Oh yeah, habang nandito tayo, try na natin tong nabili natin para sa cup holder na mayroong cellphone holder. Tignan natin kung gagana ng maayos to. Cup phone holder for cars. Yan, okay na yan. Tapos, dito yung connection ng phone holder. Ito yung phone holder natin. Unlock natin to. Tapos, lagay natin dyan. Uy, nandiyan na sila.
Eh, nakapagkano ka?
34. Kayo,
44.
ikaw, titak. Dami mo naman binili.
Ano yan?
Yeah, saan?
iPad. Camera.
Boom. There you go. All fix. Para habang nagda-drive, nagsi-cellphone. Alright guys, day 5 is done. I hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace!